Not so. Take GNS3. Go like this. Take 4 routers. 2, 3, in the middle 4. We'll change the name, like we'll say spoke 1, enter. This will say spoke 2. This will say as internet. This will say as hub. Change the symbols. Change the symbol. By default it is having only 2 interfaces, 2 fast Ethernet, so we'll add one more because it is 3 connections are needed, right? So for that we'll connect it 0, 0, 1. Last interface is this. Now we'll switch on. Okay, then we'll configure it, like we'll give the IP address, we'll make the loopback on each. You can see, right? Which interface? 01. 01 IP address, we'll give this 10.1.1.1 Wi-Fi 0. No shut. We'll make one loop back here. IP address 1.1.1.1 550. We'll give IP address. Like if we are making a GRE tunnel or MGRE, the physical connectivity, I should be connected physically, or for IPsec site to site also. You have seen physical connectivity should be there. 0.0.0.0. Minimize it. Spoke 1 F00 00 address 20.1.1.1 no shut interface IP address 2.2.2.2 IP loop. One second. spoke 2 0.1 IP address 1.30.1.1.1 0 no shut now the interface of 0.3.3.3.255.255.255.0 then we'll give IP root. Now we'll configure the internet. Interface f1/0, the one which is going to hub 10 no shut. Then we'll go the one which is going to spoke 1 20 no shut. The one which is going to 30 no shut. Exit. Okay, now close it. Internet is not required, or just give the IP address and forget it. Now we'll ping to check the connectivity. Yeah. We'll ping 30 also. It's pinging. Yeah. Now we'll configure the GRE. Okay. How to configure for that? We need to create interface tunnel 1 or anything, like you can take any number you can take from this. It's locally significant. Okay. Take tunnel 0 or tunnel 1, tunnel 2, anything. Give IP address 172.16.1.1 55.255.255.0. Sorry. We need to give tunnel source. Which will be the source? The interface, not IP address. The interface. See, in the tunnel source you can give IP address or the interface. Okay. Here we'll give the interface. Now I need to give the tunnel destination. But right now, for him, see, for him, how many destination? Am I making tunnel here or am I making tunnel here? Yes. Okay, 2 destination. I cannot give 2 destination, right? So for that reason I will use tunnel mode GRE multipoint. Okay, tunnel mode GRE multipoint. Enter. After that I need to give this tunnel key 1 2 3 for securing my data. Okay, after that do this in all the 3. Create the tunnel and go step by step. First time in tunnel IP address. See, the tunnel should be in same network. The tunnel IP address which I am giving should be in same network. Okay, then tunnel source, which is the source? F00 for him. See, F00. Okay, then for him, how many destinations are there for him? To whom it need to go for registration? See, to him only, not 2 destination, only 1 destination. It need to go to this only, no? Once the resolution has been done, then only it will go directly. So it is having just 1 destination, right? Yes. So here we are not using multi-point. Okay? Yes. Here we are using only point to point, only on the spoke. Okay, not on the hub. This is the thing. These are the steps which we are taking in phase 1. We are giving the tunnel destination. But in phase 2, you will see some difference. Then tunnel key 1 2 3. Okay, created. See, 4 things: IP address, tunnel source, tunnel destination, tunnel key. Then
This one.
On spoke 2 also same thing, but just change the IP address. Interface tunnel 3 IP address, yeah, 172.16.1.3
So it's gone up.
dot 16.1.3.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Tunnel
tunnel
source.
source for him it will be F01. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See here F01.
Tunnel destination.
Now tunnel destination, that is 10.1.1.1. Then tunnel
Key.
key 1 2 3. See, the moment when I am giving tunnel destination or when I am changing tunnel mode to point to multi-point, then protocol is up. Before that it will be down only. Okay. Now we need to configure NHRP. See. Okay. NHRP. Now for NHRP IP NHRP authentication, give a word. This is related to NHRP. This key is related to NHRP. The key which I am giving in tunnel, which I am giving for enable password, which I am giving for telnet are different entirely. Which I am giving for NTP. No connection. Okay. Cisco. Now IP NHRP network ID. Give a identifier, any number, and it's also locally significant. 20. Now IP NHRP map multicast. See here, either I can give NVMe address or dynamic. On on hub, remember I have told that if I am adding one more client, I don't have to go here and change any configuration, right? So for that reason I will give here dynamic. Dynamically you have to map. Okay, not any particular thing, dynamic I am giving. Exit. Okay, just 5 commands there, 3 commands for NHRP. NHRP authentication, NHRP network ID, and NHRP map multicast on hub. Okay. Who on spoke 1, spoke 1, then tell the same IP NHRP. Here the commands are different. Who is the NHS? Network next hop server. Okay, we have two things, NHS and NHC, next hop server and next hop client. These are the client. On the client we need to write who is the server. Okay, then IP NHRP map multicast. See, first thing is IP NVMe network address, no, so 10.1.1.1. okay, then IP NHRP map. See here, either I can give IP address of the destination or I can use multicast. Multicast I have used before itself. Okay, 161.1. this is the address, NHS address. Okay, then what is the NVMe address? NVMe is nothing, non-broadcast multiple access, 10.1.1.1. okay, now IP NHRP authentication. This authentication should be same, Cisco. IP NHRP network ID, as I told that network ID will be same, can be same, can be different, locally significant. Here I will give what I have given there.
20 there.
Okay, I will give 30 here. Okay, nothing else. What are the commands I had written? To show history. See here, for NHRP this thing, IP NHRP NHS, IP NHRP map multicast, IP NHRP map this to this, I am mapping them both. Then IP NHRP authentication, IP NHRP network ID. Okay, now in the same way I will go on the spoke 2, okay, and I will write the same thing. For him also NHS is this only. See, all the things same, okay. Then exit from here. Now what I need to do, now next process, I need to run a routing protocol. Why I am running EIGRP? Because EIGRP is Cisco proprietary. Whenever in exam they are giving just EIGRP only, dmvpn with EIGRP they are giving. That's why we are also running this.
So
Okay.
now it has become open standard.
Yeah, it became open standard, but now also they are using EIGRP only. No auto assembly. Why we are giving this?
So it will be
Sorry,
Classless.
classless. What classless? No auto assembly. Why we are giving?
Like it would be like slash like if it's like protocol, it would be like
To make class full to classless. Simple thing. Okay. To make class full to classless, so that I can do summarization, manual summarization. Now which two network it is having? Remember, in this network I should not give the interface network. Okay, I should give 72.16.1.0 0.255. Then network which are the loopback network. Okay, 1.1.1.0 0.0.0.255. Okay, network this. Now exit from here. In the same way, go in spoke 1, router, EIGRP, same AS number, no auto summary, network 172.16. Asan, you are listening? Asan,
yes sir.
listening? Okay. Another also I need to do same thing. Router EIGRP 10, no auto summary, network 172.16 dot 172.16.1.0 0.255. Then network 3.3.3.0 0.255. Okay. Now up to this MGRE is done. Up to this MGRE is done. Okay, NHRP plus MGRE is done. Now I need to run that IPsec also. Okay, first we'll start with hub. First thing what I need to write, crypto ISACAMP policy. Remember, I have told you before itself that this is very important. Always we'll use this site to site VPN. Always we'll use this. Authentication, pre-share. Then encryption, 3 days. Hashing, MD5. Group, to exit. Next step is crypto ISACAMP key 6 CCIE. Okay, and we'll make for whom we are giving this. Here we have to give this any network, any subnet mask. Okay, what is the next step? Crypto IPsec transform set, give the name ESP 3 dash ESP SA, and will give mode as transport. Remember to save the 20 bytes. To save the 20 bytes we are giving this, we are doing this. Okay, exit. Now what is the next step? What's the next step? Tell me. You have seen this before. I am working on tunnel. What should I create? I should create crypto map or I should create IPsec profile. What? Crypto map? Wrong. I am working on transforms. Like I am working in tunnel. Okay. So I will create IPsec profile, not crypto map. IPsec profile. Give a name. IP Pro. Any name. Okay. In this set, transform set, T set. Okay. Exit from here. Now what you will do to apply it? Don't go in physical interface and apply, because there we are applying crypto map. Okay. Go in tunnel, the tunnel which I am using, and tell tunnel protection IPsec profile. What is the name? Pro. Okay. Done here. Now do show history. Copy from this point, go there and paste. Paste it. Now what difference is it having? Just the tunnel. It is having different tunnel. It is not having tunnel 1. We are running here tunnel 2, right? Tunnel 2. Tunnel protection IPsec profile IP Pro. The same way we'll go there, scope 2, and we'll say int tunnel 3 and we'll paste it. I know it's quite boring, but after that you'll enjoy. Now
So that profile path means crypto IPsec profile IP Pro. That thing we have to create in spoken and spoke to also.
which one?
This one. The crypto IPsec profile IP Pro set transform set.
Yeah, we have to.
The only thing is we have to use it in a different tunnel in spoke to and spoke to.
Sorry? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is up? No, the neighborship is down. Do show neighbor. Neighborship is tunnel 3. Neighborship is up. Hmm?
Not the speed of visa is like
What?
speed of
What you are saying?
Huh?
What you are saying? I can't get.
they never check. So
Huh,
you
down.
cannot get the information about.
It's
It's
down.
not about
It's...
the split or reason.
No. It's down now. First we'll make it up. That's what I'm seeing. Why it's showing down. See. I had created in tunnel 0. I had created tunnel 0, but I am applying in tunnel 1.
So when in hub.
In hub.
How
I had
do you
created the tunnel 0 now,
Yes.
but I am applying in tunnel 1. That's the mistake.
But actually, it's not the same.
Sorry?
Okay, you apply something.
Tunnel 1. Surface tunnel 0. Tunnel protection might be set. Profile. See.
Yes.
Okay, now
Yes.
we'll see this show IP root. From here, all the faces will start. Okay, see, it's telling 2 is also coming, which is the loopback for spoke 2, right?
Okay.
And 3 is the loopback for spoke 3. And from where it is coming? From 2 and from 3. Okay, but when we'll check in spoke, when we'll check here, show IP root,
Okay.
we can't see 3,
Yeah.
right? Only 1 is there, but 3 is not there. Okay, why it is not giving me 3?
Because it's.
Why this is giving to this hub, but from hub is not coming to me? Why? What's the reason, Yusuf? What's the reason? That 3 information is going to hub, right? We have seen, but hub is not giving to me. Why? Asan? What?
It's not the same tunnel.
Not the same tunnel means? If you mean to say that tunnel number you are saying, if tunnel number is same, then it can. Don't give me such answers. You don't know, don't give, but don't give me that answer.
So is it for the typist
my
or
God.
just
No.
Can you answer the question again?
Yeah, the prop. See, here if I'll see, show IP root.
Yes.
See, 2 and 3 are coming, right, on hub. Okay, but if I'll see on spoke, that is not coming. 3 is not coming. My question is why 3 is not coming here.
No.
This is also connected to this. This is also connected to this.
Yeah.
Then why is it so?
The R. Because of the R.
No, I have told this thing
Last.
in the previous class. That's why I'm asking.
Yes.
See, that's due to this reason. Have you heard about split horizon rule?
No.
Split horizon is if one they are peer, okay? So if one person is telling to him the information, the same information, he will not tell to him, okay? Because this is done to avoid the looping. Suppose this and this is both are connected, at that time what will happen? If this is saying to him and if he is also saying to him, then looping will occur because it is also saying to him. Okay, so for that reason we are disabling this. That is the split horizon, that if I am telling something to my neighbor, something to him, he will not tell to you. Okay, so we need to go here and we need to give no split horizon for EIERP. Okay, then the information will come to him also.
So what command we need to use? No split IP split horizon.
I'll show. Understood? Split horizon.
Yes. Today.
So actually that day I tried
CV?
this command I told you.
No, you go to the interface.
See. Now
No split horizon, no IP.
here, go here and go in the
Interface.
tunnel 0, whatever tunnel you have created. Go there and tell no IP split horizon for EIGRP 10. Okay, see, resynced, the neighborship has been. Now if you'll see here, show IP route, see this 3 came now,
Yeah, it came.
right? Now if we'll try ping 3.3.3.3 source from 2.2.2.2, it will go. Now if we want to check from where it is going, which path it is taking, then we have to do trace route 3. Where it is going? It is going to 1, then it is going to 3. It is not going directly. Okay, every traffic should go from the hub. Understood? So that's the thing, that's the phase 1. Every traffic should go through hub. Okay, understood? Now we'll see,
Phase 1. Phase 2.
that is phase 1. Now we'll see phase 2.
Phase 2.
Okay, what changes we need to make in phase 2? See, in hub we don't have to change anything. Okay, for phase 2 in hub we don't have to change anything. In spoke we need to go in the tunnel 1, and we need to first disable this, right? Tunnel protection. One second. Right. Brief. Tunnel 1. Int tunnel 2. We are having 2 here. Okay. Now here we need to give this no tunnel. Remember, whenever we change something, we need to remove that from the interface or from logical interface. Tunnel protection IPsec profile IP pro. Now here we had given one thing, tunnel destination. Remember this we had given 10.1.1.1. Give no to this. Okay. Now give tunnel mode GRE multipoint. In phase 2 here also give GRE multipoint, so that if it is getting a path directly, then it will go directly. Okay. Now here give the protection, switch on the protection. Okay. Now go and spoke 2 and tell in tunnel 3, tell tunnel protection, give no to this, no, and tell tunnel destination 10.1.1.1 no. This time tunnel mode GRE multipoint, then switch on the protection. Membership came up. Okay, now we'll go here on hub. On hub only one command is needed, that is no IP next hop self. Next hop self means the route that you are getting, just for that route I am not your next hop. Okay, suppose before I was giving this, I was telling him the information about this network, like loopback 3. Okay, but I was telling that your next hop is me only. Okay, whenever I am giving the information, if you see the routing table of spoke 1, what it is saying. Of spoke 1, see, if you'll see the routing table, see this, see 3 is coming from where?
What do you have?
Okay, but now if we'll give for you, whichever I am giving the information, like
Who is giving? The hub is giving or?
no, the hub is only giving. Okay, but before the hub was the next hop. Now the hub will tell if I am giving the information, I am not the next hop for that.
Okay.
Okay, so for that reason we are disabling the next hop.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Now we'll go on hub and we'll tell no IP next hop self EIGRP 10. Okay, now what we'll do, see this, show IP loop. See from 3, from where? 1.3. 1.3 is spoke 2, right? So next hop for this route is not the hub. Not the hub. Hub is having 172.16.1.1. But the next hop will be 1.3 only. Now if we'll try, if we'll ping, now if we'll ping, the packet will go, and if we'll trace route, see from where the packet is going. From where it is to where it is going, 172.16.1.3, which is spoke 2, directly it is going. Okay, it is not going through hub, it is going directly in phase 2. So this is phase 2. Understood? Now we'll do phase 3.
Sorry, sir. That
Yeah.
means what? In the phase 2, it's just only the hub who is denying himself as a next hop.
Yeah.
So you will just take.
If he will deny, the packet will not go through him.
Okay.
Okay, and the CPU users will not be that much.
Yes, the next one will be the spoke.
Yeah, with a direct
Yeah.
mapping. It's direct mapping.
So sir,
But
in
it
phase
will go by hub, right? By hub. It will go.
There is no direct connection.
Yeah.
It will go via hub, but it will not show that I am going via hub.
He's a new student at the back.
Looking
Looking where you are.
looking for me.
He's a student.
So sir, in this phase 2, we only have to remove the destination, external destination. Rest everything will be same.
Current destination, yeah.
And
This only.
Only this one.
And no IP next hop self. Okay. Understood? Phase 2.
Yeah.
Any doubt? Sevi? Asan?
Sure. So for a dmvpn, we have 4 steps.
Fourth step.
Boom.
Okay.
Yes.
Understood. What?
The first one is the configure the GRE. After that, the
NHRP.
HRP.
Mhm.
After the
Routing protocol.
routing protocol. Which
I
was
see you on the-
HRP.
EIGRP or
Yeah,
any routing protocol.
Okay. After that, the MGRE and IPsec.
Okay.
He gave me passport copy, not visa. 2 are passport copy.
You need
Visa copy. You have.
We'll see phase 3 now. Okay. In phase 3, what I will do, I'll go in the hub and I will tell that whichever traffic you are sending, you need to send from me only. Okay, for that reason I'll just give IP next hop self. Okay, because the first packet is going, remember the first packet is going through that, but next after the resolution every packet will go directly. Okay, so in phase 3 I'm telling your next hop will be me only. Okay, yeah.
Sorry, sir. No, I feel like small confused. So after saying that the in phase 2, I know that I have to deny myself. The hub have
I have to deny my
denying. I'm saying denying is not really denying, but I have to make myself
invisible.
not be invisible, not be seen by others. Okay, but now you already say no IP next hub dmvpn. So now I have to tell again myself.
Yeah.
I have to be seeing it.
Yeah, but this time it will not take help of routing table. There is other table also, NHRP table, CEF table. So now it will use some other. It will not use routing table for routing. Okay, now it will tell some other. And here also I have told that first packet will go through hub. So for that reason I should tell next hop is me only. Okay, understood?
Yes.
So I will tell IP next hop self. Okay, now in phase 3 I need to write this command. In tunnel I need to write IP NHRP redirect. Okay, IP NHRP redirect. Now on both the spoke I need to write
So what was the command?
IP NHRP redirect. On both the spoke I need to go in the tunnel and I need to write IP NHRP shortcut. If you are getting the short distance or short path, just you can go through that. Okay, the meaning for this command. Okay, shortcut, yeah, IP NHRP. Before on hub I am telling that IP NHRP redirect means if something is coming first time register it, then redirect it. Okay, and on this I am telling IP NHRP shortcut. If you are getting shortest path, you can go ahead.
Oh, yes.
Okay,
But first you have to use right.
yeah, shortcut. Okay, then on spoke 2 also I need to give IP NHRP shortcut. Okay, exit. Now
It's like a certificate between two sides, right?
certificate,
Between
yeah, like certificate, like I'm telling that suppose president and secretary, take that example. Okay, president will not respond for everything. Okay, first time he will tell.
Yeah.
Okay, after that he will assign somebody else that you can take care of this work, right? If anybody is coming rather than me, you can take care of that. Okay, the same way here also I'm doing. Now see, show IP NHRP. See, only this and this mapping. Okay, from this spoke to hub it is static, it will never expire. Okay, but spoke to other spoke it is dynamic and it will expire after this time. By default the timing is 2 hours. After 2 hours it will just expire. Now if I'll trace route, I'll not show by pinging. If I'll trace route, see, first packet is going through hub, right?
Yes.
yeah, one.
Traced out again. Second packet, see, after the first time every packet will go directly. Okay, if we'll see now, show IP NHRP, see this mapping came. Before it was not there. Before when I have seen it was not there, but now it is there. Understood? So this was phase 3. And one more thing, show IP CEF Cisco Express forwarding 3.3.3.3. Next hop is this only.
So IP, CF.
CF, Cisco Express Forwarding. If I'll see, it will tell next hop is this only, but still the packet is going directly because it is following NHRP table, not routing table, not CEF table. It is following NHRP table.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In phase 3, it will follow NHRP table. Understood? Or any doubt anywhere in dmvpn?
So in phase 3 we don't have to make any configuration changes except this one.
IP NHRP redirect.
Okay.
Okay, and in phase 2 we have given no IP next hop self. Here we'll give IP next hop self. Okay.
All the kind of VPN, right?
Sorry?
Side to side, NGRE, exchange.
Yes. Those are required.
Side to side, MGRE, NHRP, all together.
VPN, all the time.
No. All the VPN. After this, many more VPNs are there. Okay.
How many VPN?
Like
22 to 23 something.
okay. I'll tell. Up to this, any doubt? Anywhere, Sevi, Asan? You can do? Okay.